Hey, friends! Liz Pevytoe here. So I am working today. That's why I have my reading glasses on. Because I'm old. I'm an old lady. And I was just messaging people because I just did a watch party. And I was just messaging some people through private messenger, Facebook Messenger. And I thought about something. I thought about the fact that I get at least 5 people a week that message me and ask me, hey, Liz, what are your scripts that you're using to help you get so many customers with Ibuumerang? Okay, so I'm going to reveal to you the secret sauce, the secret scripts, okay? So, if you don't know me, my name is Liz Pevytoe. I partnered with Ibuumerang back in April, and I have over 350 customers so far. And so, I had to look. I found, if you ever looking for your glasses, go find your backup glasses, and then you'll find your glasses. Anyway, that was a total rabbit trail. So, who's ready to hear my secret scripts for how I close so many people? And by close, I want to remind you guys, if you're with Ibuumerang, closing someone is giving them a 100% free savings site. Not selling them anything. I'm not selling them a thing. They're not joining an MLM. I'm giving them a free savings site. Okay? So, are you ready for the script? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you sitting on the edge of your seat? Ready? Here it is. I don't use scripts. So funny. I'm so funny. No, for real. People are sick and tired of scripts. Let me ask you this question. The last time that you got a private message from somebody that said, hey girl, I was just thinking about you, and I know how much you love makeup, and I've joined with Boulabish makeup company. I think you would be a great fit for us. It's just a script, and you're like, okay. So people don't like scripts. Here is the deal. Guys, just talk to people. So like a while ago, I did a watch party. So now I have this many, very quickly, a full page, this many people to follow up with right now. And all I'm going to say is, this is my script. If you want to write it down, write it down. But guys, I'm just trying to tell you, just be comfortable. Use your own language. Use however you normally talk to people and say, hey, just following up with you. Thank you. Or wait, don't say just following up with you. This is what I say. Let me pull it up. Thanks for hopping on my watch party about travel savings. As a thank you for watching, here's a free travel savings website for you. www.igoboom.com. Invitation code. Type in the invitation code. Enjoy! Exclamation point. Even if you don't like to travel, you can share this code with anyone that you know that likes to travel. Now, here's the deal. I have 47 people I'm going to follow up with. 47 people. I'm probably going to do 10 to 15 an hour over the next 5 hours until I get them all done. I don't do them all at once because I don't like going to Facebook jail. Okay? And guess what? Law of averages. 47 people. Guess how many people are probably going to activate? Guess how many? About 4 or 5. Okay? But if you do that every single day, if you get 5 a day for 30, that's 150 activations in a month. I don't do it every single day. I do it about 3 times a week. So guys, run the numbers. The real question is, here's the real question. Let me break it down for you. Ready? Are you ready? It's not about scripts. It's not about the scripts. It's about how many people are you exposing to Ibuumerang every single day. So how many people are you talking to, whether it be hosting a watch party, whether it be messaging people, whether it be making a video and then uploading it to YouTube, whether it be having a boom party, whether it be whatever. That's the real question. The question is, you can say the wrong thing and still get people to take a free website, okay? So don't worry about as much about what you're saying. Worry about how many people you are saying something too. Because the more people you talk to, the better you're going to get at being authentically you. And then people are going to know, like, and trust you, and then they're going to be willing to take that site. But when you use a phony baloney script, it's going to turn people off. Okay? It's going to turn people off. So be you. Be crazy you. Be funny you. Be serious you. Whoever you are. Be gray hair sticking up in the hair you. Whatever it is. Just be you. People don't want perfect. They want real. So forget the scripts, expose more people. That kind of sounds bad. Introduce more people to Ibuumerang. Whether, like I said, you've got all these options. You've got the I Decide. You've got videos. You've got Boom Party templates. You have the option, any option, whatever you feel comfortable with. I'm an introvert. Yeah, I am. So I use Facebook. I use YouTube. That's how I grow my business. But if you like talking to people face to face, if you like going up and meeting strangers at the grocery store and talking to them, that would make me need medication. But if that's you, then go do it. Okay? So I love you guys. Just wanted to hop on here real quick and tell you to ditch the freaking scripts. Okay? I say that in love. I say it in love. Just talk to more people every day. And however you do it, do it. Love you. Bye.